ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಕುದುರೆಮುಖ ಕಬ್ಬಿಣ ಹಾಗೂ ಅದಿರು ಕಂಪನಿ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಕಾವೂರು ಟೌನ್ಶಿಪ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತರ್ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಚೆಸ್ ಟೂರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ ನಡೆಯಿತು. ನೂರಾರು ಸ್ಪರ್ಧಿಗಳು ಈ ಚೆಸ್ ಪಂದ್ಯಾವಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿದರು. ಕುದುರೆಮುಖ ಕಬ್ಬಿಣ ಹಾಗೂ ಅದಿರು ಕಂಪನಿ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಕಾವೂರು ಟೌನ್ಶಿಪ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಆಯೋಜಿಸಲಾದ ಅಂತರ್ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಚೆಸ್ ಪಂದ್ಯಾವಳಿಗೆ ಕಬ್ಬಿಣ ಹಾಗೂ ಅದಿರು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷ ಎಂವಿ ಸುಬ್ಬರಾವ್ ಚಾಲನೆ ನೀಡಿದರು. ಈ ವೇಳೆ ಮಾತನಾಡಿದ ಸುಬ್ಬರಾವ್, ಚೆಸ್ ಟೂರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಯೋಜಿಸುವುದರ ಮೂಲಕ ಉತ್ತಮ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಇದು ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಸುವ ಆಟವಾಗಿದೆ ಎಂದು ಹೇಳಿದರು.
This is no target cancel this time because of pandemic, but we don't want to leave the children disappointed by taking all the measures to avoid this pandemic. We eventually got a few people, almost today 180, normal participants is more than 500. We are taking all the care and they are giving all the facilities whatever they want to play the game very successfully and freely. And they have to show what is their strength in their brain and we are making this climate also very, very cool and comfort, only they can play and other thing that we are going to conduct this competition continuously. This is the government of India. They told that every year they adapt one of the games. We adapted chess. This Mangalore is one of the talented places in Karnataka. You can see that all the top rank hunters come from Mangalore only. So that we want to create some of the top players from the Mangalore. So this may help in the future to mold a big global players. That is our issue. And thanks very much for giving this opportunity.